Day 2 is our mini globe craft. This is for juniors, pre-primary, and primaries. When the people sinned at Babel, God lovingly put a roadblock in their way to keep them from rebelling against him even more. He then confused their languages and spread them all across the world, which then they began to remultiply it. So today's craft with the mini globe, we are going to start with taking a piece of coffee straw and pressing it down into the hole of the suction cup, right on the top part there. All right, and the next piece you'll take is the white Chanel stem, or pipe cleaner as we call it, and you'll wrap that around the base of the suction cup. Alrighty. Then you will roll the piece of the modeling compound into a ball, so it looks like your globe. All right, and you will then place the modeling compound onto the top of the straw, pushing it down onto it centered. That way you can kind of get it. Yeah. Next, you'll be able to color your globe with the green and blue markers. Again, obviously the world has more water than green land, so we always start with the green first to make your landmarks, and then the majority rest will be the blue. Yes. Once you have your full world colored up as so, then you'll take the other end of your Chanel piece and place it right down on top inside of the straw. And then you can kind of form it and bend it around so it looks like it's kind of on the Alice mark. All right. Next, you will apply 4 glue dots to the back of the green foam. Glue dots are always fun. Stick to everything. Alrighty, and then you're going to center the blue cardstock around it, pressing it down onto there so that way it should give you a nice little blue border, like so. Then you'll take your verse, glue stick the back side of it. That's right, this says glue dot. And then you'll place that near the bottom of the green foam so that way it's towards the base part of it, so that we have the top end that you can place your globe on top, part of it stand, and there is your mini globe.